I can tell you right now, this is lovely and cool in here. And this is normally a red hot room.